100 practical sentences using are to enhance your daily English skills. 1. The kids are playing in the park. 2. The lights are too dim in this room. 3. The dishes are in the sink. 4. The cats are resting on the couch. 5. The flowers are blooming beautifully. 6. The roads are slippery when wet. 7. The birds are chirping in the morning. 8. The cookies are fresh out of the oven. 9. The students are preparing for exams. 10. The new shoes are very comfortable. 11. The chairs are arranged in a circle. 12. The windows are open to let in air. 13. The instructions are clear and simple. 14. The dogs are barking at the mail carrier. 15. The buses are running late today. 16. The trees are swaying in the wind. 17. The fruits are ripe and ready to eat. 18. The mountains are covered in snow. 19. The seats are reserved for VIP guests. 20. The stores are open until 9 p.m. 21. The skies are bright and clear today. 22. The children are full of energy. 23. The results are better than expected. 24. The stars are visible tonight. 25. The apples are in the fridge. 26. The employees are working overtime. 27. The streets are quiet at night. 28. The curtains are blue and white. 29. The desserts are tempting and sweet. 30. The vegetables are fresh from the garden. 31. The pillows are fluffy and soft. 32. The fans are cheering loudly. 33. The toys are scattered all over the floor. 34. The dogs are friendly and playful. 35. The books are stacked neatly on the shelf. 36. The leaves are changing colors in autumn. 37. The kids are laughing at the jokes. 38. The cakes are on the display counter. 39. The phones are ringing constantly. 40. The keys are on the kitchen table. 41. The towels are folded in the basket. 42. The bags are packed and ready to go. 43. The glasses are clean and polished. 44. The workers are fixing the road. 45. The cupcakes are decorated with icing. 46. The fish are swimming in the tank. 47. The clocks are set to different times. 48. The doors are locked after 8 p.m. 49. The new projects are ambitious. 50. The seats are comfortable and spacious. 51. The flowers are arranged in a vase. 52. The kids are ready for school. 53. The assignments are due next week. 54. The pancakes are served with syrup. 55. The paintings are hung on the wall. 56. The prices are higher than before. 57. The blankets are warm and cozy. 58. The eggs are in the carton. 59. The staff are trained professionals. 60. The buses are full during rush hour. 61. The maps are updated annually. 62. The stars are twinkling in the sky. 63. The results are published online. 64. The kittens are adorable and playful. 65. The doors are wide open. 66. The flowers are fragrant. 67. The paths are lined with trees. 68. The volunteers are doing a great job. 69. The sandwiches are ready for lunch. 70. The clouds are covering the sun. 71. The rooms are decorated for the party. 72. The pants are too long for me. 73. The hats are on the coat rack. 74. The bananas are ripe and sweet. 75. The animals are safe in the shelter. 76. The shoes are muddy after the rain. 77. The pages are torn and faded. 78. The people are dancing to the music. 79. The kids are singing a song. 80. The books are available in the library. 81. The floors are mopped and clean. 82. The ice cubes are melting quickly. 83. The leaves are falling from the trees. 84. The children are playing hide and seek. 85. The cups are stacked in the cabinet. 86. The doors are painted red. 87. The muffins are cooling on the rack. 88. The toys are in the toy box. 89. The roads are congested during rush hour. 90. The new laws are in effect. 91. The drinks are cold and refreshing. 92. The guests are arriving soon. 93. The shirts are on sale today. 94. The tables are set for dinner. 95. The paintings are priceless. 96. The answers are in the back of the book. 97. The phones are always on silent. 98. The stars are aligned tonight. 99. The buildings are tall and impressive. 100. The deserts are displayed beautifully. These sentences should help demonstrate various contexts in which are is used.